Today I am going to show you Hyper Nugget motorcycles that are more powerful than even Moto GP motorcycles. Welcome to Motor News, I am Tomas, and here are the top 5 build Nugget Streetfighters with massive power. These bikes are definitely not intended for non-professional riders. And you, if you think that you are a good rider and are going to change your bike to a bike with the 1000cc engine, here, in this case, you need to think even more about buying them. Because the bikes I show you in the video are even faster and incredibly powerful ones compared to the standard 1000cc sport motorcycles. You can imagine, I am talking about sport nugget motorcycles up to 1000cc engine capacity, and I add the word standard here. Do you know what you might be dealing with? You are dealing with the 200 plus horsepower monsters, of course with street legal bikes, which you can buy today. So get ready for the show. When we talk about Kawasaki, we know that we are dealing with uncompromising motorcycles, and this is especially so when in front of us is the Kawasaki sport bike Kawasaki Z H2 SE, which is equipped with a 200 horsepower and a 10,500 RPM supercharged engine that made a name for itself a long time ago. By the way, I have always liked the design of the Kawasaki ZH2, and even today I think that this motorcycle is one of the best both in terms of looks and technical characteristics. Agusta have one of the most dynamic and powerful superbike in its class. I mean Hyper Nugget motorcycles, Brutale 1000 RR, Brutale 1000 RS, and Brutale 1000 Nürburgring. But the most outstanding among them is the Rush 1000 that you see on your screen now. The Rush 1000 is equipped with the 212 horsepower engine, and trust me, it's fully utilized its capabilities. Added to this its premium look, and this Hyper Nugget motorcycle with radial valves and titanium correcting roots. To tell the truth, from the Agusta motorcycles listed in my list, absolutely every model has more than 200 horsepower. Now it's time to Ducati's uncompromising Streetfighter V4. I would like to mention that Ducati Streetfighter V4 has 3 modifications: Streetfighter V4, V4S and V4SP, and the latest model from Lamborghini. But today I will only show you the V4S model because it's the most unpretentious bike from this list, which is equipped with the 4-cylinder engine of the Panigale V4S, and its power is 208 horses. As for the KTM's 1290 Super Duke R, here we have slightly different numbers, but this is a motorcycle that boldly takes on the challenge of any motorcycle. KTM's Super Duke R is equipped with a 1301cc engine and its power is 118 horsepower. The resource of this engine should be considered here. The power of the Super Duke R exceeds 200 horsepower. Triumph's latest P-Triple 1200RR, which saw the light of the day this year in 2022, is a true Triumph's masterpiece. Aggressive modern retro style motorcycle equipped with a 3-cylinder 1160cc engine that produces up to 180 horsepower, and that's not even its maximum. Actually, this bike has an electronic limitation of the power of the engine, and its large cubic capacity indicates the great resource of the engine of this motorcycle. The Italian Aprilia Tuono V4 factory, which has failed so many competitors, and let's not argue that only a Cetera category dreams of this model. Otherwise, it's quite underrated, and let's not argue that this model really shows fantastic results at the world level. Tuono V4 factory is equipped with a 1077cc engine, the power of which is almost 180 horsepower and quite dynamic, and we are dealing with a high-tech bike, a truck-breed racing motorcycle that is not as sought after today as compared to its competitors. So friends, I am Tomas and thanks for your attention. You always find interesting videos on my channel.